Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations. So now I want to show you how to answer. This one we can change by dy over dx. So I will put this one go to the right. Next, we divide both sides by this one. Next, I will put the s go to the right. Next, we need to do integration for the both sides. So the integration of this one, we have y to the power of 4 over 4. The integration of this one, we have 1 over 4 ln of the absolute value of x to the power of 4 plus 1. And I will put about c. And this is the final answer. That is the end. Thank you for watching.